Today I'm doing the exploding skull brain doodle. Welcome to the Charlie Doodle experiment. So doodles, I always just throw something down really quick. Skulls are easy for me, so this time around I was just throwing a skull together with an exploding brain. So I'm kind of pulling from Robert Williams, who's kind of a well-known artist in the lowbrow kind of underground art scene. He created Juxtapose magazine, which kind of gave credit to a lot of folks that were doing underground art and were doing really, really good stuff, and felt that, hey, this is just as valid as any other art form out there, and maybe more so, because with Robert Williams, he's definitely more on the illustrator side of things. And so this was kind of my take on things. If you're not familiar with who Robert Williams is, look him up, type in lowbrow with that. He's done some album covers. He's done a lot of stuff. Great stuff. Can't stress how awesome his stuff is. For mine, though, yeah, that's not a mushroom cloud. It is actually a brain. It's kind of gobbly looking, but I like pink brains. I know brains are probably gray, but mine are pink. And threw on a background, I thought Robert Williams kind of style. I don't know. And I drew the accentuating arrows there to make the exploding brain look more exploding. Anyway, that's it. Comment, like, subscribe, and thanks for hanging around. I'll see ya.